In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. By the end, your tasks and events can stay aligned without manual copying, saving you time and reducing scheduling mix-ups. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to ClickUp in a desktop browser and you have the Google account you want to connect ready. If you use a pop-up blocker, allow pop-ups for this session so the Google sign-in window can appear. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see a small grid or waffle icon. This opens a quick menu that gives you access to tools and extensions. Click that icon to expand the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Apps. This takes you to ClickUp's app directory, where you can connect integrations that extend what ClickUp can do. In the directory, use the search bar and type Google Calendar. You should see the Google Calendar integration appear in the results. Click it to open the integration details. On the Google Calendar integration page, you'll see an overview of what the connection enables. When you're ready, select Connect. This will trigger a Google sign-in window. If you're already signed in to multiple Google accounts in your browser, pick the specific account you want to link to ClickUp to avoid syncing the wrong calendar. Google will show a permissions prompt explaining what access is required for the connection to work, such as viewing and managing calendar events associated with your ClickUp items. Review the details, then approve to continue. After you grant access, you'll be returned to ClickUp and should see that your Google Calendar is now connected. If you don't see the confirmation right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. From here, ClickUp will begin coordinating with your Google Calendar based on the integration's defaults, and you should start noticing your scheduling data reflected between the two. The first sync may take a short while, especially if your calendar is busy. A few tips if something doesn't work on the first try: make sure your browser is up to date. Temporarily disable strict pop-up or tracker blockers, and confirm you selected the correct Google account during sign-in. If you ever need to adjust access, you can manage connected apps from your Google account's security settings and from ClickUp's integrations area. That's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now integrated with Google Calendar, keeping your plans organized and in sync. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.